Take your cooking skills to the next level with this incredible dual-fuel range cooker from Stoves, which has fantastic features for effortless results. It has 4 cavities, including 2 fan ovens and a separate grill and a slow cooker. The main fan oven has a medium-sized 54-litre capacity and the second has a medium-sized 57-litre capacity. So there's plenty of flexibility if you're cooking for a larger household or like to host lots of dinner parties. There are 7 burners on the hob, ranging from 4 different sizes. This is great when you want several pans bubbling away at the same time. The Wok Burner is perfect if you enjoy cooking fresh food fast. The large ring delivers an intense, concentrated, powerful flame to the bottom of your pans for quick and even cooking. So whether you're deep frying or steaming, the versatile Wok Burner is the perfect choice. Incredible Equiflow fan technology from Stoves creates an even temperature from the top to the bottom of the main oven. A fan at the back of the cavity quickly spreads hot air, meaning your food always cooks evenly, no matter which shelf it's on. And because the heat is always moving, the flavors from different foods won't mix together. Now you can bake a fresh loaf of bread while cooking your evening meal and still get delicious results every time. If you're looking for an electric range cooker with fantastic features for effortless results, this incredible dual-fuel model from Stoves is an excellent choice.